Assalamualaikum and good morning. We are students from University Kuala Lumpur, Malaysia Spanish Institute, and today we will presenting on welding fundamental. Okay, the first one is Imam Rafiq bin Azhar. The second one is Imam Danish bin Muhammad Farid. The third one Muhammad Rafiq Abdullah bin Muhammad Reza. The fourth one Yaudin bin Rokib. The last one Adam Farid bin Masdi Fendi Rizan.
Purpose of the creating projects: creating a drain cover. 1. Safety. Prevents people, animals, bicycle or vehicles from accidentally falling into the drain. 2. Debris control. Stop large objects, trash or leaves from entering the drainage system and causing blockage. Water flow. Allows rainwater or wastewater to flow into the drainage system while filtering out unwanted materials. 4. Odor controls. Some covers, especially indoors ones, help reduce unpleasant smell from the drain. Durability. Protects the drain opening from wear, damage or vandalism. 6. Accessibility. Can be lifted or removed by authorities for cleaning or maintenance of the drainage system. Alright, the next is sketch of the drain cover. The design choice because the drain cover is designed in the rectangular shape because this form is simple, practical and easy to install compared to the circular and irregular shapes. A rectangular design allows the cover to fit neatly and securely on top of the drain opening without leaving gaps. The dimensions of the cover are 800mm in the length and 415mm in the width, based on the actual measurement of the drain. By following the real dimension, the cover ensures a proper fit, avoids unnecessary movement, and provides stability when in use. The spacing between each flat bar is set at 3mm. This spacing was chosen carefully for several reasons. Point 1. Smooth water flow. It allows rainwater or wastewater to flow efficiently into the drain without blockage. Point 2. Debris prevention. The narrow gaps stop larger waste materials such as leaves, plastic or stones from entering the drain and causing clogs. Strength and safety. Even with the small gaps, the cover is strong enough to withstand weight when stepped on, ensuring safety for the pedestrians. In short, the design combines practically safety and durability, making the drain cover both functionally and reliable.
Materials selected and their advantage. First, we use mild steel flat bar. It used as the main bars in the middle section of the drain cover. It functions serve as the surface for water flow. Advantage: it was strong, able to support weight when stepped on, and easy to wear and more affordable. Second, mild steel angle bar, L-shaped steel. It was used as the frame surrounding the drain cover. Its function provide additional strength and ensures the structure does not deform. The advantage is it's stable, easy to install, and suitable as the main framework. Third, welding, SMAW, or as known as shielded metal arc welding. It was method used to join the flat bars and angle bars. It function produce strong and durable joints. Advantage: simple to apply for small fabrication projects. Lastly, we use anti-rust paint or black paint. It was applied after the welding and finishing process. Its function to protect the steel from rust and corrosion. Advantage is it increases the long-term durability and gives a nicer appearance. Material preparation. Tool and equipment used is metal cut-off saw, angle grinder, direct-to-metal paint, paintbrush, welding head shield, welding glove. And for the process of measuring and cutting of the materials, First and foremost, use the metal cut-off saw to cut the flat sheet bar into 7 parts with 80 cm long each part. Meanwhile, cut the angle bar into 3 parts with 45 cm each part and cut another 2 until 80 cm long. Tools and equipment used. There are 7 of them, which is paintbrush, direct to metal paint, metal cut-off saw, welding head shield, grind machine, gas metal arc welding machine, and last but not least is welding glove.
This is our example during the welding process.
What is GMAW? GMAW is gas metal arc welding, also known as MIG welding, which is metal inert gas welding. It is a welding process where an electric arc forms between a consumable wire electrode and the workpiece metal, heating the metals and causing them to melt and join. A shielding gas is also used to protect the weld pool from contamination and atmospheric gases like oxygen and nitrogen. We choose this method for its speed, efficiency, and ease of use. It's a fantastic process for both beginners and experienced welders.
Safety measures followed during the welding process. Throughout this entire project, there are several safety precautions that they needed to follow, such as the use of appropriate protective equipment, including flame-resistant clothing, a welding helmet, glove, and boots to protect against spark burns and radiation. MIG welding has a shielding gas that protects the molten weld pool from atmosphere contaminants like oxygen and nitrogen. Argon gases is used in the projects.
This is our example during grinding, cleaning, and painting process. This is example of the final product and testing.
Challenges and solutions. The challenge we have faced during the process is inexperience of welding. Then we made a mistake that we have to grind it and weld the part again. Thus, we asked the expert for a little guidance from him. But the most important and effective solution we made is learn from our mistake and try to be better, as our first purpose are for learning and not just catch the perfection. But next time, we will make sure to trying to make a perfect result for our goal. Conclusion. Our project successfully created a functional and durable MIG welded drain cover. We apply key welding skills and learn the importance of proper joint preparation. For future projects, we recommend using 3D modeling and exploring alternative corrosion-resistant materials like stainless steel. We are proud of our work and the skills we developed. Thank you for your attention.